Hey everyone, Chris here with our Everyday Getaway. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another e-bike review. This one is the Jasion Thunder Pro e-bike with 2,000 watts of power and a top speed of 35 miles per hour. Here's my question to you RVers out there looking for an e-bike. Do you need that much speed and do you need that much power? We're going to get into it in this video.
This is our everyday getaway, living the life, come what may. We'll show you the world full of colors and cheer. Join us on this journey, our vision is clear. No looking back, get two dreams, hit the open road. Let's make some memories, lighten the load. This is our everyday getaway, living the life, come what may.
Okay guys, what we have here is the Jasion Thunder Pro. Now Katrina and I have done e-bike reviews before. Jasion was the first e-bike that we owned. The last review I did was on the Jasion Thunder Pro, and I'll put a link above. You guys can check that out. So we're going to get into it with the Thunder Pro. First thing we're going to do is we're going to uncrate it. We're going to put it together, and then we're going to go over the specs and give this thing a test ride. And we're asking you, as an RVer looking for an e-bike, do you need 2,000 watts of power? And do you need to go 35 miles per hour? Let's find out. Okay, let's go over some of the features on the bike. First of all, the color is Storm Blue. The bike comes in two colors, Storm Blue and Stealth Black. It has a 52 volt, 20 amp hour battery that has 2,000 watts of motor power. Top speed is 35 miles per hour with a max range of 90 miles, and of course that's going to vary depending on your weight and your pedal assist setting. It has a full terrain suspension system. There's the suspension there, and then you have your front fork suspension. The Thunder Pro weighs 85.5 pounds and it has a 500-pound max payload capacity. Recommended height on the bike would be 5'5" up to 7'2". Now, Katrina did ride the bike, and she's 5'3", and she had no issues and no problems at all. It has a 1-year warranty. For a limited time, it comes with the free saddlebag and the motorcycle-style side view mirrors. It also has the 7-speed Shimano drivetrain. It's got the twist throttle, and they have the 26-inch by 4-inch puncture-resistant tires, which is nice for off-terrain. Here are your controls over here. Let's power it up. And there is your digital display. Nice and bright, very easy to read. And you can see up here, this is your pedal assist number. You got your horn, nice and loud. Your settings for your pedal assist, up or down. We have the turn signals, turn them on, and you can see. We also have your headlights. So another nice feature is the Jasion app, which allows you to monitor your battery. It can track your rides, and you can customize the settings, and you plan your route all from your phone. So the bike comes about 85% complete, built. You'll have to do some assembly, but remember, they give you all the tools you need to put everything together. Also, they have a link to their YouTube video showing you exactly how to put the bike together. So if you have any issues, you have any problems, just scan that QR code and you can go right to the instruction video. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out for a ride and see what it handles, how it handles, what it feels like, and we're gonna share that with you. And let's give this thing a ride, see how it goes. Wow, you can feel that speed just kick right in. So it's real easy to get caught up in the speed. There's a lot of power with this bike, not just in the pedal assist, but when you use the throttle as well. And I can clearly see the digital display. I got it on pedal assist too, and I'm hitting about 20. This thing has got some speed. It's moving, and this is in pedal assist 3. Let's try the brakes and see what happens. I'm going about 20. Let's hit the brakes. Oh yeah, nice. That was fairly quick on a short distance. And watch how fast this thing takes off. I got it full throttle, and already we're up to 20, up to 25, up to 28, up to 30. Right now I'm in pedal assist 3, and I'm already up to 30 some miles, 33. I'm very impressed with the way that this thing rides and the way it handles. Let's see if we can't find some off-roading rough terrain over here that we can ride the bike on. Here we go. Maybe a little something over here. What's up, little squirrel? Kind of ride it around here. Seems to handle it just fine. Let's see if we got something back here. Wow, with the full suspension, the ride is just good, real good. I got to admit, the way this thing handles, the suspension, the full body suspension, the tires, this thing rides fantastic. Very easy, but you gotta watch that power because that thing will get away from you. But very, very impressed with the overall performance of the Thunder Pro from Jasion.
Oh boy, this is quite different than what I usually ride. Okay, all right, let's go. Wow, jeez. Wow. Wow, that is just, it's crazy. It's nothing like any of the other e-bikes we've ever driven or anything like that. This thing is so well made, and it's just like a beast. It's powerful. It's just very, very like, ugh. I have no problem with it. Actually, it could even go up a little bit because I like my foot to come straight down. But this is great. No problems at all. This is like, wow. Yeah.
All right, let's go over a few things. One of the most important things is this is a one-piece bike. This is not a foldable bike. So for those of you who have an existing e-bike rack, you want to make sure that this could handle it, and it could also handle the weight, because remember, this is 85.5 pounds. It's a heavy bike, but it's a solid bike. Katrina and I prefer to have foldable bikes. It makes it easier for us to travel, but if we did have the means, this would be right up there on the list. I love the power. I love the comfort. I love the full suspension. You can see that right there. The digital display was nice. Don't forget you can use the app on this as well. Jasion has an app. I'm not so sure that you need the side mirrors. They're a nice touch. If you think you need them, put them on. If not, you could just pop them right back off. Other than that, I think this is a solid e-bike. But my question for you RVers out there is, do you really need an e-bike that goes that fast? When you're in the parks and the resorts and the campgrounds, there's really no need to go that fast. One of the things I also love about this is that you could take this off-road. So for those of you who RV, you boondock a lot, and you want to have an e-bike that can handle that rough terrain, that's pretty solid. So I also like where the battery's located. It's up here. It's easy to get in and out, snap it right in and lock it in place. Yeah, all in all, this is a solid e-bike. What I'll do is I'll put a link down in the description below to the Jasion e-bike. Right now, this is retailing, I think, for $1,800, but they got it down to $1,300. And if you check, they may have additional savings as well. But I'll put a link down in the description below with all that information. And once again, a really nice e-bike, and we're excited to have this part of our e-bike family and our travels, especially right around here in the resort. Well, there you have it. That's our review of the Jasion Thunder Pro. If you guys like this video, give us a thumbs up. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing to the channel, where we like to do e-bike reviews from time to time, share that information with you guys out there. As we like to say here at the channel, any day you can get away is a great day. You guys take care.